I also other question now about Hebrew, because isn't Hamotzi, the word Hamotzi, bread? Because I read that lechem is also bread. I'm not sure.
No, lechem, Hamotzi lechem in choretz. Yes, that's the blessing. Who the translation who brings the bread from the ground. That's what the blessing for.
But isn't also lechem a suffix that means yours?
Is a suffix. I don't know.
For example, einayhem, your eyes, is different suffix.
I think it's the different suffix.
Maybe one is with head and the other with hey. I'm guessing.
Alechem is a hey.
Okay. So that was my doubt. So thank you.
Okay.